Hi, so today we're going to be learning about the basic units of measuring cups and the measuring spoons. Here are our measuring cups. We have 1/4 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup, 1/2 of a cup, and a full cup. And our spoons are a little different, but kind of the same thing. We have 1/4 of a teaspoon, 1/2 of a teaspoon, a teaspoon, and then a tablespoon. Now, the way that I remember the difference between teaspoon and tablespoon is tablespoon is always going to be written with a capital T. So, for me, I think big T, bigger spoon. And teaspoon is always going to be written with a small t. So, small t, smaller spoon. Now, we're going to be learning about kind of the equivalence of what equals what. So we're going to start with the teaspoon. So 3 of these is equal to 1 of these. And now we're going to test that to make sure that that's accurate. One, 2, and 3. And if we even that out, we can see that 3 of these is equal to 1 of these. Now, 4 of these is equal to 1/4 of a cup. We're also going to test that out, but an easy way to remember that one is 1/4 of a cup, 4. It's kind of how I remember it. One, 2, 3, and 4. So that is correct. 4 of these equals 1 of these 1/4 of a cups. Now, 4/4 of a cup is equal to 1 big cup. And we can see that by the fractions. If you were to write it out on a piece of paper as 1/4, you'd see that the bottom number is equal to, if we had 4 on top of the bottom number, we would have 1. But we're going to test that out just to make sure. I'm going to bring this down to my level. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there you have it. 4/4 of a cup is equal to 1 big cup. And it's the same with thirds. If we see the bottom number 3, if we were to put the same number on top, we know that we would have 1 large one. And that's the basics of measuring.